So in this question, we're given an equation where g and pi are constants, and we want to make a graph, and which will produce a straight line graph. So we are being asked to linearize. So f equals 1 over 2 pi times the square root of g over L. Now our objective in this case is to make it fit the form of a line. So we want it to look like y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Now we can see there's no plus term in this case. There's no plus term, so there's no y-intercept. So we're now looking to match it with y equals mx. So the first thing we could do is say that y is f. F is on the y-axis. And so if we look at the choices that are given to us, that isn't an option. We are only given the option of f squared or square root of f. So we said there's no y-intercept. And so now let's try, if we took the square root, to get the square root of f, we'd have to take the square root of both sides. So that would look like the square root of f equals the square root of 1 over 2 pi times the fourth root of g over L. And if we look there, we can see that none of those are the possible choices. So with y being square root of f, it just doesn't work out. The x does not look like those. So now we can try going to f squared, which makes more sense. When we look at this, your first sense is, oh, undo the radical. Well, we would square. So f squared equals 1 over 2 pi times g over L. Now g is a constant, so we can rewrite that as g over 2 pi times 1 over L. And that gives us y equals mx, where y is f squared. That's choices C and D. The slope is g over 2 pi. G is 9.81. And x then would be 1 over L, which is choice C.